AI revolution on wheels. How artificial intelligence is driving the electric vehicle future. Welcome to the AI Vault Insight and Innovation. Are you ready to see how artificial intelligence is supercharging the electric vehicle revolution? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into how AI is transforming EVs from simple electric cars into intelligent, self-aware machines. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's the brains behind the most advanced features in today's electric vehicles. These AI-powered systems are making driving safer, more efficient, and a whole lot more enjoyable. At the heart of AI-powered ADAS is a complex network of sensors. Think of it as the car's eyes and ears, constantly scanning the environment. These sensors include high-resolution cameras, radar, and LiDAR, each providing a different perspective on the world around the vehicle. This data is then fed into sophisticated AI algorithms. These algorithms process the information in real time, allowing the car to understand its surroundings and react accordingly. It's like having a super attentive co-pilot constantly monitoring the road. AI enables a range of impressive features in modern EVs. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from other vehicles. Lane keeping assist gently steers the car back into its lane if it starts to drift. Automatic emergency braking can prevent or mitigate collisions. Blind spot monitoring alerts the driver to vehicles lurking in their blind spots. These features work together to create a safer and more convenient driving experience. The benefits of AI-powered ADAS are clear: enhanced safety and a more relaxed driving experience. By mitigating hazards and reducing driver workload, these systems make the road a safer place for everyone. Drivers can enjoy a less stressful commute, knowing that the car is constantly monitoring the environment and ready to react to potential dangers. This leads to a more enjoyable and less fatiguing driving experience. AI isn't just about safety, it's also about maximizing the performance and efficiency of electric vehicles. By analyzing data and making intelligent decisions, AI can help EVs go further and charge faster. AI plays a crucial role in optimizing energy consumption in EVs. It analyzes driving patterns, road conditions, and even the health of the battery. This information is used to intelligently manage energy consumption, ensuring that the car uses power as efficiently as possible. It's like having a personal energy coach for your EV. The results of AI-powered energy management are impressive. EVs can achieve improved range, allowing drivers to go further on a single charge. Charging times can also be reduced, thanks to AI's ability to optimize the charging process. This means less time plugged in and more time on the road. AI also helps to ensure the efficient use of battery capacity, extending the lifespan of the battery and reducing the overall cost of ownership. AI can even predict potential maintenance needs before they become major problems. By analyzing data from various sensors, AI can identify patterns that indicate a potential issue. This allows for proactive servicing, minimizing downtime, and preventing costly repairs. It's like having a crystal ball for your EV's maintenance schedule. The ultimate goal of AI in the automotive industry is fully autonomous driving. While we're not quite there yet, AI is paving the way for a future where cars can drive themselves. Self-driving EVs rely heavily on AI to perceive their environment, make decisions, and navigate complex traffic scenarios. AI is the brain that controls every aspect of the driving process. The AI system must be able to understand the rules of the road, anticipate the actions of other drivers, and react to unexpected events. It's a complex and challenging task. Fully autonomous vehicles are still under development, but significant progress has been made in recent years. AI-powered ADAS features are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These features are laying the groundwork for fully autonomous driving by gradually automating more and more aspects of the driving experience. We're moving closer to a self-driving future every day. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and data sets continue to grow, autonomous navigation will become even more reliable and efficient. The future of driving is undoubtedly automated. Driving will become more convenient, allowing drivers to focus on other tasks, or simply relax and enjoy the ride. This will transform the way we think about transportation. While AI offers tremendous potential for the future of EVs, it also presents some significant challenges that must be addressed. These challenges include data privacy, ethical implications, and cybersecurity. The vast amounts of data collected by AI-powered systems raise concerns about data privacy. It's crucial to ensure that this data is protected and used responsibly. Regulations and safeguards are needed to prevent the misuse of personal data and to ensure that drivers have control over their information. Transparency is key to building trust. Autonomous decision-making raises complex ethical considerations. How should a self-driving car be programmed to react in unavoidable accident scenarios? These are difficult questions that require careful consideration and public debate. We need to establish ethical guidelines for autonomous driving to ensure that these systems are used responsibly. The increasing reliance on software and connectivity makes EVs vulnerable to cyber attacks. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential to protect vehicles from hacking and malicious software. Manufacturers must prioritize cybersecurity to ensure the safety and security of their vehicles and their drivers. This is an ongoing battle that requires constant vigilance. Addressing these challenges is essential for the responsible and sustainable development of AI in EVs. We must ensure that these technologies are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. By addressing these challenges proactively, we can unlock the full potential of AI in EVs while mitigating the risks. This will pave the way for a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation future. AI is revolutionizing the automotive industry, and electric vehicles are at the forefront of this transformation. From enhancing safety to optimizing performance and paving the way for autonomous driving, AI is changing the way we think about transportation. Expect to see even more sophisticated AI features in EVs in the years to come. These features will continue to improve safety, efficiency, and convenience, making driving a more enjoyable and sustainable experience. Ultimately, AI is leading us towards a smarter, safer, and more sustainable driving experience. The future of transportation is electric, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Ready to invest in the future of transportation? Explore the innovative companies developing AI-powered EV technologies. Research the market trends, and consider adding these forward-thinking stocks to your portfolio. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of this exciting revolution. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.